Hey guys, it's Cassie. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I am going to be unboxing my blue light glasses that I bought online from Klassy Network. No, this is not sponsored. This is just something that I came across while I was on social media. They were having a 30% off sale for spring break, so I figured I would give it a shot. So I'm gonna unbox these right now. I can't wait. Okay, so first we have this letter. It says, "Thank you. Welcome to the Klassy Network. We create products made just for you. Our goal is to encourage you to embrace authenticity because it's a huge part of what's missing in today's digital age. We want you to just be you, to spread the word about being the best you, the truest version of yourself without any fear of judgment and being who you really are. Like what you are, wear what you want to wear, reach for your dreams, be your own kind of classy. We are so glad that one of our products fit your style. We can't wait to see you rock it. Tag us on Instagram and a percentage off next purchase, future purchase." Okay, so there's that. Here's the box. It's super cute and it's so classy. Imagine that. Ooh, look you guys. It's like a black felt case. And on the inside it says, "Welcome to the network." That is so cute. I'm loving the packaging. So here's the case. Look at that beautiful red interior, you guys. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I got the Determined glasses in the leopard print. So here they are. And like I said, these are the blue light protective glasses, so they're not like prescription strength or anything like that. They're just simply to protect your eyes from the blue light, looking at your phone or computer screens all day like I do. And I get headaches very easily, especially looking at a computer all day long and then coming home and like watching Disney Plus on my phone and stuff. Okay, now I'm totally gonna have to turn off the ring light for this just so you guys can see. But look. Oh my goodness. Let's turn the light off. You guys, look. Okay, so when I picked these out online, I was super hesitant because I like to try things on like this before I buy them. But look at how cute they are. I was so hesitant to buy these online just because I couldn't try them on before I bought them. But these are so cute. Oh my goodness. So I used to wear glasses back in high school. But then once I graduated high school, I went and got LASIK surgery on both of my eyes so that I wouldn't have to wear glasses anymore. So I got that done my freshman year of college actually. And I haven't worn glasses since then. My vision is basically 20/20 still. So there's no need for like prescription lenses, but these are so cute. Oh my goodness, look at me. Oh girl. Anyway, but yeah, I am not disappointed. I'm really excited to see how these work and how they help with my headaches. And yeah, oh my gosh, they're just too cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and link the website down below so that you guys can take advantage of it. And wow. Also, I just want to point out, I love all of the names of their glasses and the frames that they have. They all had really unique names like bold, driven, worthy, classy. Determined is what I got. Independent, slay, modest. I'm trying to think of some more. Power. So I just love that about them naming their glasses. They also had some for like authors, stuff like that. So that was pretty cool. That was another selling point for me was, first of all, the price, discount or whatever. I'm down for that. I'll only buy things on sale. Like I will not buy things full price if I can help it. So the sale and then the name of all the lenses, I was like, oh my gosh, these are cute. These are so like, I don't know, just a little bit empowering. So you guys check them out. But yeah, I'm gonna leave the link to the website in the description box, and they are still having their spring sale. So you'll use code SPRING30 when you're checking out, and that'll give you your 30% discount. And yeah, and then you can get these in just a few short days. I got mine in like 4 or 5 days. So estimated arrival was not till 2 days from now, but they came early. So yeah, these are so cute, and I can't wait to test them out and see how they work for me. Alright, you guys, so that concludes this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!